At the end of this video, you will have 3 ChatGPT hacks that you can implement today to get better responses, be more productive, and ultimately automate tasks in your life, including content creation. With AI evolving at such a rapid pace, I don't want you to get left behind in 2025. I want you to stay up to date so you can take advantage of the financial opportunities that AI is creating. And they are creating more millionaires than any other opportunity before. And if you like information about AI news and tools that you could use to make money or just your life better, don't forget to give the channel a subscribe and stay until the end, because hack number 3, I think, could be just that when it comes to ChatGPT and achieving financial freedom. Let's go. Hack number 1 is customize ChatGPT for specialized outputs. So, the one thing about this LLM, just like many other ones, they have a multitude of instructions, data that it collects, etc. So let me moving the wrong thing. Let me move my face. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Yeah, let me move my face out of the way. All right. So now, you go up here, click your profile icon, and go to customize ChatGPT. Now, I am going to put in the description a template that you can use to kind of brainstorm how to customize this. So, what should ChatGPT call you? I put my name, Rajiv. What do you do? Social media content creator. You could put YouTube content creator, TikTok content creator, author, scientist, etc. What traits should ChatGPT have? So this is how I customize mine. So I put response format should be in a YouTube style, storytelling format. For storytelling, to craft truly captivating scripts. Think of your video as a journey with stepping stones guiding your viewer, etc., etc. Right? This is giving ChatGPT a framework that it could use instead of just using general outputs. Think of it as you're creating a person who you are wanting them to be the perfect person to create what you want. You're going to give them the knowledge. You're going to give them the traits. Don't look outside of here. If I'm a YouTube content creator, I don't need you pulling tips from the internet about LinkedIn. So this is what you can do. Like I said, I will leave in the description a template that I could use for both of these sections to kind of get you started. Over time, you will expand on these things, but this is a good starting point. And just advanced options, you don't really have to change anything with that. Hack number 2 is to utilize customized GPTs to speed up the process of your work and use instructions that are already there so that you don't have to start from zero. So again, we're back in the home screen. So as you can see right here, I have some GPTs already pinned to my sidebar. So let's just say I wanted to use our at. So you can type in the at symbol. This is a GPT that I created myself. It was just a test, but we can get into that later. At Dolly. So I use the GPT, create me an image of a muscular short man on a computer giving YouTube tutorials about ChatGPT. Make the man have glasses. Don't worry about that right now. So the one thing about this was a very poor example, because if you were to put that prompt in there, it would have automatically did it, right? But imagine if you found a copyright GPT that you wanted to utilize. You could call it from your pinned option, or you can go to the GPT store and find it. Whoa. Okay. Does that look like me? Okay, I don't know. Anyway, so GPT store. You click on Explore GPTs, and you can find hundreds of GPTs created by other users. You can create your own GPT and put it on the store. You just imagine the wonders and the productivity boost that you would have either in your life or in your business by using a customized GPT. If you have stayed this long, you're ready for me to reveal hack number 3, and I promise you it is worth it. It is based on the new automation feature that ChatGPT has. Remember to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to always bring you AI news and tools that you can use to make money and your life better. Let's get into hack number 3. Hack number 3 involves the ChatGPT task feature. So you go to your models window and you click GPT 4.0 with scheduled tasks. Now, this is extremely powerful. So I just realized that they've made some changes or limitations to what it could do, because last week I was able to check stock prices and it would give me a stock price about every hour for Amazon. Now it's giving me a message that you can't do that. But it's still not stopping the grind because I wasn't using it for that. Anyway, what I'm getting ready to do is show you how it can create automated, faceless stories, pictures, anything, script and all, with just an automated prompt. All right, so I created a little basic prompt. You can look at it, but if you are a prompt engineer or you're just better at prompting, you know that this prompt sucks. But just look at what it can do. I'm gonna press send. Would you like me to start by? So automatically, y'all see what it says. No, just create the story. I trust you. Because I want y'all to be able to see this. Okay. Right. Okay, so, and this is what happened last time. So what I will say is I want you to actually generate the images alongside the scene. Don't just give me the prompt. Remember this in your instructions. Boom. Now that this is set, I'm going to pause this kind of so it's speed because I'm not going to go through all 10 images. And then I'm going to show you where this is in your task list. Okay, as you can see, it made the image alongside scene 1. I have some tweaking of the prompt that I have to do, but the idea is there. Y'all see the idea. And click on your profile picture again. Click on task. And boo. See, and I had it right there, y'all. So this is the one that I created before. Create motivational stories. And this is how it happened before. Right? So I will give you all my prompt for this in the description as well. And y'all could tweak it how you need to. I had it to where to do it daily at 12:30. So this is what I initially put. Create a task where daily you create a 10 scene motivation, blah, blah, blah. Y'all see it. And then I also did the same thing that I did. Complete the task now, and you can start doing it at 9 a.m. tomorrow. And so it gave me this BS message. So all I did was went in and change the time. So that's why it says daily at 12:30, because I think I was doing it like 12:25. And this is what it did. Etc. Boom. And it made this by itself. So imagine you getting stories or just story ideas, image ideas every day, twice a day, 3 times a day. Or maybe you just want to be a cornball and use it as it comes out. I say a cornball because if everybody does this, nobody makes money. With social media, you have to add your own flair. You have to add your own look. Put a little sprinkle on there.